Now we are going to watch the TV unit. This is called wall unit also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah. Yes, you have lots and lots of awards here that was received by our sir, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
So this is also like both sides we have kept showing it so that we can showcase all the awards in the previous years. We can showcase all that. As you can see with the spotlights, they are like very highlighting the TV unit. The awards are highlighting the TV unit, right?
The TV unit is also highlighting the award. We can say it like that. The glass, no, this glass with this blue color painting and with this lovely brightening and sparkling stones. It's all complementing. And please tell me about this handle. This is also like glittering shade.
Yes, madam. So these are not ordinary handles. So these are all premium handles. So we have selected these handles for the TV unit so that it will look more grand. So as you can feel it how grand it is, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're right. And then this TV unit also, you have kept this LED light for this TV unit also. While we are sitting in the sofa and we are watching the TV, I'm actually feeling like we are sitting in a theater and watching a TV. It's giving me that much pleasure and that sense it's giving me. So as you said, the spotlights, it's also very nice. And about the storage, you have lots of storage here. We can keep everything like newspapers and then
All the accessories, whatever we can keep, all this for storage.
Okay.
So every space we utilize it for storage.
okay. And this is for
For the deck, SCV, whatever dish, whatever we can keep.
Yes.
So this a glass cutout we kept as it is easy for using.
changing the using the remote. And here also you have designed this thing.
Yes.
So you have painted in the corners and then you have just left a space here to operate everything here. So
Those are just colors.
Yes.
It does-
it was very nice. And this is also provision for the extension box or whatever you can keep. And this is
So this is for the woofer,
Okay.
especially for the woofer. So we have given this just empty cutout, not any glass or anything.
okay.
The vibration will affect the glass.
Oh.
For that purpose, we have given for woofer purpose.
So this is also nice actually. So if in our home and all we will not use this cutout, we will just leave the space openly and we can just keep the woofer speaker inside. But here they have planned nice and they have just set a door without the glass. Yes, and this is also nice. All the same handles, right?
Yes, madam. Yes. So that it will be uniform. For other units, it will be other handles like that.
Okay, so overall the whole unit is so nice. And I'm coming to the wallpaper. So I hear this is a 3D wallpaper. So it is also totally customized for the customer's taste, right?
Yes, madam. Totally. Whatever you are seeing, everything can be customized. So this wallpaper also customized as per our taste.
Okay, so this is also nice and it's a mild feeling. This white, pink and green also, it's giving a mild feeling to our home as we enter inside. And I want to talk about these photos. So it's really a great pleasure to meet Govindan sir and we are working with them. So it is so pleasure and just want to know all the names and please tell all the names. You know? Okay. So I know him. So sir, I have
These are all very memorable moments for our sir.
Yes.
So he has chosen the collectible memories and he has chosen the
Framed
place for
it
framing
and-
all these memories.
So he has lots and lots of awards. He won lots of awards and he kept it in as a memorable in the showcase also and even in the pictures also. And I heard that.
Photos, very important one is that one.
Okay.
As well as that one. So these are for the doctorate and as well as that as you can see that is governor, that time former governor, Rosaya.
Yes,
So
yes.
those are very important memories.
Of course,
We have
yes.
framed all that also.
So it was so nice as we entered home, no? Sir, I have won lots and lots of awards and he won lot people of hearts. So it's giving a positive energy. And then what is this sofa? It is also customized by Ramya Modular Kitchen and Interiors, no?
The sofa was also customized as per our taste.
Okay.
So these colors, as you can see, matching the TV unit. So these colors, this combination, dark and light combination.
It was matching, it was complementing the tiles also.
Yeah, these cushions are very comfortable. You can also feel it by even sitting also.
Oh, sure. Can I sit?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
actually so comfortable. It's so nice and it's so comfortable. The handrest is also very nice.
Yes.
And the cut, no, in the heart-in cut, no,
Yes.
it's my arms and my elbow is sitting in the
It's very
place.
much visible in this angle.
Yes.
So you can see. how nice it is. Like it is
The design is also very nice with the two colors, the light beige and the dark brown. So it is so nice. The carpet is also matching with the tiles, sofa and the woodwork. And then I want to talk about this wallpaper also. This wallpaper also is looking very nice and it's so colorful.
So you were asking about this wallpaper, madam. So as you were telling, this is also was chosen by our sir. So this is customized. As you can see, this embossed wallpaper. We can also wash this.
Oh.
So that much facilities we have with this wallpaper.
Okay. So if you have kids at home also, they will scratch or they will write something in the wallpaper. If like that, so you can take a soap or you can dip a soap water and you can just wipe it off. The scratches or whatever, it will not go. It will go. It's a washable. So it's a waterproof, right? Washable means it's a waterproof. So you can wash it, you can clean it easily, and the wallpaper gives a royal look to your home. So please try this with our Ramya's Modular Kitchen and Interiors. And then I'm going to talk about the false ceiling. Look at the false ceiling. It was very well planned. And what is that? CNS. What does it mean?
So even this also we have customized actually.
Okay.
So these are not any ready-made designs. These are actually we have just came with an innovative idea
Okay.
and we implemented it.
Okay.
So these are like a WBC wood kind of thing material.
That is wood type only.
Yeah, wood type only, and we customized. We customized with CNC machines, and we cut this specific design,
Okay.
and then we have also placed an light on the top, so that it will just highlight the very specific details of the CNC cut.
Yes, it is so nice, and the arch and the design is also very well shown here. The work was very well shown. It was so nice with this LED and the colorful lights. It's looking so nice, and then I have to talk about